Hello, my fellow pressure washers. So I got a package here. This is gonna be my Whisper Wash 16-inch floater. I ordered this from Russ Johnson at Southside Equipment. I had my last surface cleaner. It's recently starting to go out. I've had it for the past 3 years, and the spray bar on it is starting to bind up a little bit, so I had to drop some bucks. And I got this one right here. So we're gonna unbox it and assemble it. Alright, I got the deck. Seems pretty solid. Nice hard durable plastic. That's everything right there. Alright, see, one thing I gotta do is fit right here. I'm gonna change out, put a plug end on this one. This is how I operate my tools. Always like to prefer having the plug on the tool end. So that's something I'll have to change around. We have two nuts here with nylon washers on them. Just trying to figure out where the nylon washers go. I would say down here. So it looks like wherever the swivel's pointing, you want to have this side of the bar going the same direction. So it's screw, nylon bushing, attach, and then the nut. Alright, now to install the handle part. Alright, let me get some tools. I need some tools to tighten this thing up. Also, I believe I got a filter that I can use to install on this thing. You want to make sure that you protect that swivel. Alright, I got some tools now. I got my sockets, Teflon tape, here's that filter, 3/8 high pressure filter. So I'm going to have this installed also on the surface cleaner right here. Got my quick connect for this, or my plug for this one. Figure out which way this filter goes. Alright, I'm going to start off by tightening this end down here. You need yourself a hex socket for the bolt down here. Next side. Always use Teflon with your fittings. I'm sure you already know that. Alright, here's the filter. I went and got the fittings on here tight with Teflon tape. Now I'm going to install it on here. Alright, so got her all done. Got her all done. I look forward to using her. So hopefully this will help you guys assemble your surface cleaner right here. I look forward to giving it a whirl. And I'll have to give you guys a review in a few days to let you know what I think of her. Appreciate you guys viewing.